Read words with schwa plus L spellings. What is the schwa sound? Low?
When a letter sounds like
Instead of its normal sound, right? Who can give me an example of a word with the schwa sound in it? Randall? About. Where's schwa sound in that word?
the beginning.
The beginning. The A normally says what? Or in that word it says I can read different types of two-syllable words. Every syllable has to have a vowel. Who can think of a two-syllable word? Emmy? Bed. Let's see if bed is two syllables. Are you looking for Amaya? She went to the nurse at lunch and I haven't seen her since. Bed. Let's see. Let's clap bed. Bed. Or do we say b-ed? Does b have a vowel sound with it? No. Okay. Adriana? Cupcake. Let's try that one. Cupcake. What else is cupcake? Not just two syllables. What kind of word is it? John? A compound word. All right, everybody say I can.
I can
Ask and answer questions
ask and answer questions
about key details in the story, the letter. Very good. All right, so we're reviewing schwa. We've been working on schwa for a while now, so we should be getting pretty good at it. Yesterday we started schwa plus L. What was the main sound we heard when we did schwa plus L spellings? L. We heard the letter L. What sound does L make? Ooh. Okay. Does anybody remember an example from yesterday? One of our words? It had it. Where did we see schwa plus L in the words? Where was it? Was it at the middle and the beginning? Kyron? We mostly saw it at the end. Can anybody think of one? Harmful. What spelling is in that one? U-L. And that's what we practiced yesterday. A-L, U-L, I-L, right? All right. So today, they want us to learn two more. E-L is the first one. Everybody, let's sound out this word. Oh, that's not sounding it out. Oh. How many sounds do you hear in travel? Bethany, how many sounds do you hear? 4. Who hears more than 4? I saw 5 on some fingers. Kyron, why did you think 5? Because the blend has how many sounds? 2. We say it as a blend, but do you still hear t together? So if it's a blend, we have to count it as how many sounds? 2 sounds. All right, let's read these other words. Ready?
level, model, tunnel, channel, camel.
Very good. What did you hear in every single one of those? Oh. Any different than the spellings yesterday? Animal. Wonderful. Does it sound the same? Just has a different? Good, Adriana. And they also want you to know when the L comes first and then you have that same schwa sound with it. What's the word here? Apple. Does it sound different? Think about it. What if you say the word angel and then say the word angle? Do you hear a different sound at the end? Say angel. Angle. Hi, Miss Penny. So what do you hear at the end still? Ul. You still have that ul and the schwa, right? They're just in a different order. So EL and LE are pretty tricky when you're figuring out spelling of words. Let's read these, guys.
Middle, symbol, uncle, castle, little, cattle.
What is it?
Cattle.
Say cattle.
Cattle.
Very good. Kyron, it's okay if we make mistakes, remember? All right, guys. And we've already done our spelling tree for that too. Let's practice reading words with 2 syllables. What do we know about the vowel if it's an open syllable? Lowell? Very good. It says its name. Open syllables have long vowels. Very good. Is this one open or closed? Closed. So let's clap it. Ready? Discuss. What's the word?
Discuss.
Very good. Ready?
Next.
Very good. Everybody, guys. Amaya, you all right? Okay, they're in Miss Fisher's room, sweetie. All right, next one, guys. Open or closed? Let's clap it.
Witness. Witness.
Very good.
Signal. Signal.
Very good. Open or closed?
Close.
Ready?
Dentist. Dentist.
Very good. Ooh. What's different about this one? It has 3 what?
Syllables.
So we have to have at least how many vowel sounds? 3. Because every syllable has a vowel sound. All right, let's clap it.
Fantastic.
Very good. All of them are closed. What's the word?
Fantastic.
Very good. All right, each syllable in these words has a consonant, and the syllables follow the CVC pattern. The vowel sound in these syllables is a short vowel sound because the syllable is closed. Very good. All right, now we're moving on to what kind? Open. And let's say it. Ready?
Lady. Lady.
Very good.
Open. Open.
Good.
Hotel. Hotel.
Nice job, guys.
Tiny. Tiny. Replay.
Uh-oh. Replay. What's over here?
Why?
Y that can also say. Let's try that one again.
Reply. Reply.
Somebody still said play. What's this part say?
Fly.
What's this part say?
Read. Read. Read.
What is it?
Reply.
Very good.
Unite.
Uh-oh. Somebody said Why is it not this time, Emma?
Because if it said would say that.
Night. Is that our word? No. So why does the U say and why does the U say you instead of Lowell? The syllable is open. And what does that mean? If it's open, there's not what behind it? A consonant. Don't be scared to answer, girl. Worst thing that can happen is you can be wrong. We have to correct it. So let's try that one again, but this time for you, we're going to say what? You. Ready?
Unite.
Not unit. You guys trying to see if I'm paying attention? Why does this one say its name? John? Yeah. You. Everybody?
Unite. Unite.
These are accidentally in here twice, I guess. All right. Let's practice chunking these words. So still practicing syllables, okay? But what do these words have in them? What do you see that we've been practicing? The schwa sound. So they're going to try and make sure you're paying attention to the sounds that you see, okay? Ready?
Single. Single.
Beginning, middle, or end, where do you see the schwa sound? Low? Good. Ready?
Handle. Handle.
Nice.
Gamble. Gamble.
Very good.
Temple. Temple.
Good job.
Twinkle. Twinkle.
And that one's a little tricky because here, what do we hear?
E.
Instead of I, because the way we say the word, right? So that one's a little tricky to be on there. They mainly want you looking for schwa sound. Ready?
Stable. Stable.
Good. Ready?
Cradle. Cradle.
Good.
Idle. Idle.
Good job.
Able. Able.
Good, friends.
Needle. Needle.
Very good. All right. Okay. These words are in there twice too, so we're just going to fly past them. Yesterday we read about the king's ghost, and Sir Gus comes out looking like a brave hero again because he saved the day. Really, did he save the day? No, he was just sick. Why was he sick? He does not like water at all. What did Sir Gus do when the king said, "Let me reward you. What can I do for you? You're my most brave knight. You've saved me again." What did Sir Gus say?
Can I have a medal?
Did he ask for a medal? What did he say he wanted?
For the captain to turn the ship for a course back to the mainland.
Yeah, he said the best thing you can do for me is get me back to shore because I do not like being on this water. The king and his knights went out to sea and were approached by pirates. The pirates told the knights they had to give up the king and the boat. They wanted his boat as well as the king. The knights said, "That's not going to happen." Gus made scary sounding noises because Sir Gus was seasick. And Sir Tom told the pirates that the sounds were from the boat's ghost. The pirates really were spooked by that, right? The pirates were scared of the ghost and they went away. King Alfred wanted to reward Sir Gus as he thought he was clever and brave for pretending to be a ghost. But really, Sir Gus was just seasick. I would say Sir Gus has some pretty good luck. You're right. All right, take out your tricky word list. What word are we adding? Bridge. Whoops, sorry guys. It's the only one we have to add today. What were the 3 tricky words from yesterday? Lily? I'm not sure how you're going to read that one, sister. When somebody says it, you might want to fix it.
Water, ghost, and again.
Water, ghost, and again. Maybe look at Kyron's and get the spelling from him, Lily. What are tricky words? Jackson? Words that don't follow the rules. Okay, these are some spellings you're going to see in today's story. You're going to see Y that says, you're going to see schwa plus L. You're going to see A used as the, What? Somebody said it. What sound, guys? Look here. And you're going to see O as, All right, let's read the words.
Story, utterly, assembly, peaceful, several, arrival, travel, noble, across, assembly, apologize.
Very good. And our tricky word for today was bridge. What's a bridge? Emmy?
It's a thing you travel on to get across water or something high off the.
Yeah, it's something you travel on. Can you walk across it?
Yes.
Can you drive across it?
Yes.
Some of them, right? And Emmy told us it's when things are up higher, like if you cross over one road going to another road, or it's over the top of water, because obviously we can't drive our car across the water. One of our vocabulary words you're going to see in the story, the letter, is summoned. What does the word summoned mean? Lowell? Yeah, they call you to come to them or to come somewhere. Dazed. Dazed. Show me a dazed look. What does that mean? If you're dazed, you are confused. And then they have a llama. Why would a llama be in today's story? Because we were just on the sea. Why might there be a llama in there today, Adriana? They might be riding llamas. Llamas might be in Sir Gus's dream. We don't know. Sir Gus is kind of sporadic, right? Lowell, one more prediction. So you think they might be riding the llamas too? I don't know, but it's going to be interesting to find out. If someone is astonished, now look at these two faces before we do these words. They're pretty similar, right? An astonished face kind of looks like his fearsome face. What's the difference in the two faces? John? The both words have two different meanings. Can one look show more than one feeling? An expression can show more than one feeling. Okay? What does astonished mean? If you're astonished, Kyron, you are surprised. And if you're fearsome, Bethany, you are scared. Who do we think is going to be fearsome in our story? Sir Gus. The one who always comes out on top is always the one who's the most Scared. Yeah, he's just the opposite. Okay, so you can get your book and get with your partner. If your partner's not here, come see me with your book. Bethany, y'all get started, baby.
Afraid at once. However, it was several days before Sir Gus the
John, track. All right. He wanted to put his feet back on solid ground. He said, "Get me off of this water." But the king said that's not enough because he thinks Sir Gus is his most brave and fearless knight. What did Sir Gus get? Kyron?
A shiny silver cup.
He did. The king gives Gus a shiny medal and a silver cup. Why does the king call all of his knights together? Why did he call all of his knights together? John, go ahead, bud.
Because he heard that there was a monster.
What kind of monster?
Like a monster that can breathe fire out of its mouth.
So what does he want the knights to do with this monster, this beast that he's talking about? Adriana? Yes, the king has heard that this frightening beast is there, and he wants them to get rid of it. The king speaks of a beast that can make flames come from his mouth. What type of beast do we know that is, we've heard in stories before, that shoots flames from his mouth? Emma? Maybe a dragon. If Sir Gus the king called me in and was telling me about a beast that could blow flames, that's exactly what I would picture. Some sort of dragon, right? What does it mean to be fearsome? We just talked about this, Kyron.
It means to be frightened.
Yeah, it means that you are frightened or scared. Why does the king think Sir Gus is volunteering to save them from the beast? He thinks that Sir Gus is the first knight to volunteer to save the kingdom. What makes him think this, Lowell?
Because every single other night just walked backwards.
Yeah, all of the other knights, when he told them about this scary beast, took a step back. But Sir Gus did what?
Because he saw a fly.
Yeah, he was distracted by a fly and he stood there. So there's the king and he's like, "Of course, my fearless, most brave knight. You're the one volunteering to save the kingdom?" Does Sir Gus really volunteer to fight the beast? Lily? No, not at all. He didn't step back with the rest of the knights because he wasn't paying attention. We said he was distracted by a fly. All right. Who can tell me how a llama got in today's story? Lowell, where did the llama come from? Because a llama's not a scary beast that blows flames from its mouth, is it?
It was just, I'm pretty sure from the way it was described, Circus owned the llama.
Circus did what?
He owned the llama.
He owned the llama. Where did the llama come from, Adriana?
He was crossing the bridge and he just found the llama.
Yeah, he was coming across the bridge, and there was that llama. So, was the llama super important? No, they wanted you to know that just to give you a reference of what a llama looks like and is. Okay? All right. Everybody say, I can.
I can.
Read words with schwa plus L spellings. Can you do that? Yes. I can read different types of two-syllable words.
I can read different types of two-syllable words.
What other kind of syllable words can you read? And yes, because we did three-syllable too. I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story. The letter. Very good. All right. Wiggle cards.
Get under the table.
Earthquake drill!
Oh, here's the next one. Remember, you're practicing your schwa sound. Find it every time.
It's in the back.
We take to eat an apple.
It's at the end of apple.
It's at the end of mumble. I do that all the
Well, when you stumble, you don't actually fall. You just almost fall. Wiggle like a snake. All right, here's the next one. Some of you are really good at this one. What's it mean to be puzzled? Confused. All right, have a seat. Okay, before you put your reader up, you need to take out a piece of paper. You can get it from the back if you need to. Notebook paper. And you need to find me 3 words in the story that you read that have schwa sound in them. Go back in the story, the letter, and find me 3 words that have the schwa sound in them.